I've only had my Mackie SUB GO for 4 months. Never gigged. Although I say that, I do give it grief. I'm playing some of the heaviest dubs through it. It's been doing well until it finally threw the towel in. I busted it. It just couldn't handle the dubs. It started flapping and vibrating, and I know it's nothing in the room. I've moved it in 3 different rooms and the same vibration. It's not coming from the screws that hold on the battery cover. It's not the pole. It's not the speaker on the pole. It's not the cable. I don't know where it's coming from. I even tried to put some paper around the battery thinking the battery was vibrating, but it wasn't that. It's not the floor. Nothing else in the rooms. The same vibration noise in all 3 places. I can only play a short sample of the music to avoid any copyright strikes. Listen to this. It is definitely coming from the SUB GO. No doubt they'll repair it in the warranty period, as it's only 4 months, but I'm not convinced with this sub. I think I'd like to return it and maybe have a credit note and buy something else with the value, because I do not want another one going just after the warranty period. So that's the end of my experience with the Mackie SUB GO. Good while it lasted. Thank you for watching.